Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Volkswagen GTI. First, make sure your GTI's ignition is on. Then, navigate to the main menu of your infotainment system. It's also crucial to ensure that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile phone before you begin. This initial setup ensures a smooth and quick pairing process for your device. Let's get started with the next steps. Once you're in the infotainment system, look for the phone or Bluetooth icon and tap it. From there, you'll want to select the option that says Search for New Device or Add Device. Your GTI will then begin scanning for available Bluetooth devices. When your phone's name appears on the screen, simply select it to proceed with the pairing process. This step links your phone to the car. After selecting your phone, a pairing code will appear on both your GTI's screen and your mobile device. Please confirm that these codes match before proceeding. If prompted, you might need to enter a specific PIN, which will also be displayed. Finally, your GTI may ask for permission to access your contacts and messages. Granting this allows for full hands-free functionality and convenience while driving. If you encounter any issues, try deleting old, unused devices from your GTI's Bluetooth memory. Sometimes, simply restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system can resolve minor connection problems. Once successfully connected, you can enjoy hands-free phone calls, stream your favorite music, and access navigation audio directly through your GTI speakers. Drive safely and enjoy your connected experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.